Good morning. It's Sunday. It's Katri, Heart for Baking. I don't have Calvin with me, which makes me super sad, but I just got home from church and I thought I need to bake something. I'm going to use Joanna Gaines' book, and I am going to make shortbread dipped chocolate cookies, because then we got some side chocolate for Calvin. And I'm making this in particular because I have two neighbors across the street, Gwen and Tom. Gwen loves shortbread. Tom loves anything sweet and chocolatey. So this is the perfect combination, and I think it's a great day because it's kind of still cold outside. So this is going to be a perfect opportunity to do some cookies that seem pretty simple. So here goes. It's 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon kosher salt, 3 sticks of butter at room temperature, and I'm going to use my KitchenAid mixer to pulse this together. I'm hoping it works because I don't have a food processor that's big enough for this amount of flour. And then 4 teaspoons of vanilla extract. You roll up the dough and then you have to put it in the refrigerator for a bit and then bake it at a low temperature. Okay, so it's time to pivot. The Joanna Gaines cookies did not come out like I thought they would, so I am pivoting. I have created Joanna Gaines / Ted Lasso biscuits. So I put them in a pan, a 9x9 pan. They're in the refrigerator, and we're gonna see if we can do it a similar way, but with biscuits. So that's what you gotta do. You gotta pivot. I never got a picture of my Ted Lasso / Joanna Gaines cookies, so you're seeing a picture from her book, and you're going to see a picture of Calvin and Max. So I have to say that my pivot worked. The Ted Lasso, Joanna Gaines cookies were good, so I hope you try them and see if yours turn out better than mine. Take care. See you later.